Back in action, we're back in the action, boys. Hey boys, thanks for checking in. Thumbs up, comment down below if you want to. I'm a little hungover, I'm not gonna lie. If you guys watched my last video, by the way, I thought I had the C word. I was a little sick. It's not, so we're all good. So Ian came over last night. I hadn't seen him in a little bit because I was sick, and you know, hungover is an understatement. We brought out the beers last night. I bring this up because we're actually going to Ian's today, Cameraman Ian's, and I gotta get him to check out something I bought. Which is probably in the title, and we're gonna go see his new place. I've showed it to you before. I helped him move in, but we haven't seen it all like done up and stuff yet, so this is gonna be kind of vlog style. My brain's not working too well right now, bro. I should be walking there. It's about a 3-minute walk, but I'm not going to. I don't trust my feet right now. I don't trust my legs or anything. I think I might fold if I, like a freaking accordion, if I try to do anything that takes 10 meters of walking. So we'll see you at Ian's house. Yeah, while I drive, I just had a quick thought, boys. The thumbs up and comments, I was like, if you want to, I said that earlier, please do it actually. We're on a shadow ban right now. My videos keep getting taken down and stuff like that, so anything really helps, bro. I'm here to entertain. I don't really care about the money. I make money in other ways and I'm alright with that, but I'm just here to entertain as many people as I can, and that's really my passion with this, bro. So if you guys really want to hit that, and hopefully that'll help, I don't know. That would be great. All right, we're pulling up the Ian's right now. Let's go pay the kid some visit. I don't know how that phrase goes. Pay him a visit. I think it's pay him a visit. I probably shouldn't be vlogging and driving, bro. Last time I did this, I allegedly ran a red light and. What's up, bro?
Hey man.
How's it going? How are you feeling?
All right.
Yeah, you mind holding this camera, bro?
Yeah, no problem.
Hands are falling down.
Yeah, man, you really dressed like you didn't give a damn that it's winter out there.
Yeah, I got the slides and all, boys.
Yeah, there's like...
I already told them I'm a little, my brain's not working too well. You got a cat now, this is crazy. You're a big cat, aren't you? Oh,
yeah, he's a bigger one.
Place is looking good. I was telling the boys I haven't seen it since I helped you move in.
Oh yeah, fuck.
Do you want to like show them or what before we get going?
Yeah.
So I gotta show
take a look around.
I gotta show you a little I gotta ask you about a little package I got.
Okay.
Damn.
Yeah. This is the fish tank.
You guys remember that from my basement? When he was living in the basement at my place, he took the fish tank. This is crazy. Wow, bro. Look what you did. Of course, boy's a geologist. This is gonna come in later because I need your expertise on something.
Oh, okay.
Look at all this crap.
Yeah.
Holy frick.
Cabinet full of rocks. So many rocks.
This is nuts, bro. Yeah, we don't gotta go too heavy into it. Do you care about showing the kitchen?
I mean, it's a kitchen.
Is, right? Yeah. This is
it's
sweet, bro.
old, kind of messy.
Sweet.
Liquor cabinet is well stocked though. That's the important bit.
Right on. So I got a package, bro. This is why I'm here. I bought this. I'm telling you boys, you don't even know. I bought this. You guys know Icebox, right? The jewelry company. I'm telling you at the same time. I bought this Icebox jewelry from eBay. It was like under $100, right? It has a real Icebox, like, and I know this because I bought from Icebox before, like a real like carrying case that they come in. Although I assume it's real. I don't know. It looked pretty real. But it was like, it was a chain, and it was like a little too cheap. You know what I mean? Like a gold chain.
Yeah.
Under a hundo. I don't know.
That is a little cheap. That's a little sus.
So I thought, come to the guy, clearly a geologist. He knows his stuff. I'm sure you got gold in here, no?
Yeah. There's. I don't know how well it'll show up in camera, but see the little sparkles in that rock. That's gold.
Anyway, boys, this is the unboxing. Frickin', where's my backpack? I'm getting them to legit check it, or else, you know what I do? I contact the seller, I say, hey, this is fake, and I get my money back, you know what I mean? But I was down to take the risk. This is the cheapest Icebox jewelry you'll ever see, probably. Alright, boys, so here's the unboxing. Ian just grabbed me a drink. This is great. It's a little fruity. It's a little,
Hey man, it's a free drink.
It's a little fruity, you know? Like I'm not saying like fruity, but like kind of like a flavor. It's a little sweet for me.
Well,
it's a drink though.
It is a drink.
So here's our package, man.
Oh man. Oh, so speaking of there's something I can tell you about because I just got a package of my own.
Okay, got it.
Yeah. No, this is it. This is it,
I
man.
thought that's what you were talking about, bro. I saw that when I walked.
Yeah. So this is my Wolf Game merch, man.
Okay.
This is.
Tell them what this is, bro. I
Yeah,
saw that
like,
when I
this
walked in. I was
is-
gonna ask you.
This is real NFT stuff, man. Like.
Can I?
Yeah, this is like the project you told me about.
Crap.
Like, it's made me like I've made a lot of money on it, and they just sent out their merchandise. This was an NFT.
This isn't sponsored, by the way,
Yeah.
boys.
Yeah.
Wow.
No. This was an NFT that I exchanged for like an actual physical item that I can wear.
And you made a lot of money, no?
Yeah, and it's nice as hell, man.
It's
Like,
beautiful.
oh man, I wish you guys could feel this fabric.
Yeah,
It is like
it's really wool. It's
Yeah.
really, wow.
but it's like the wool you could actually wear. Like, it's not the scratchy ass stuff.
That's really good, bro. I'm proud of you.
I'm stoked on it. Like, that's seriously, it's like the nicest hat I own.
What's
for
your
sure.
net worth like with NFTs right now? You up?
Yeah, I'm even after the crash, I'm still up like 15 grand, I think.
That's what I'm saying, boys. You friends of me, you know what's up. All right, so anyway, this is beautiful, Ian. So, package, eBay, bought it, Icebox.
Wow, you ripped that open like an animal. My God.
Beautifully too, eh? Look at
Wow, that I would not have guessed it would open that easily. Holy.
So, okay, so yeah, here's the thing. Now,
Okay,
I've had one
nice.
of these before.
Nice little velvet bag.
I'm trying to like legit check this, bro. This does look like, it seems like regular Icebox. What it is, and I'm not thinking this is real, boys. I think I got scammed, but like I say, I could just like get my money back.
Okay.
So, okay, whoa.
It's bigger than I thought it would be.
Yeah. See, for $100, it's looking a little yellow to me, bro. This is why I came
It is
to the
yellow.
geologist.
It is yellow as hell.
Yeah, like I just need you to let us know.
Yeah, like, first thoughts, this thing's like, there's some metal here. If this was solid gold, you paid $100 for like
Is that true?
$1,000 worth of gold.
You think that might really? I didn't even.
Oh, that necklace has got to be like half an ounce.
Yeah,
if
you're
not,
right,
if
it
not
is
more.
heavy. It's.
But yeah, I
Well,
don't know,
shoot,
man.
Well, check the markings on it.
Oh yeah, it should have markings. Like, they're not gonna show up on camera, probably.
Well,
I don't know,
they
man.
can just believe us or not.
She
Yeah, it's not
looks.
looking good. Dude, I'm seeing freaking scratches here.
I mean, gold is soft.
Not
Right.
even down that bad, bro. It's just this.
There's no carat markings.
It's not.
And like, you're right, man. It's super yellow. Like, I mean, gold's pretty yellow, but it's not quite that yellow.
Yeah.
I think it's like some kind of brass.
I don't know what that is, but.
It's not gold.
No, I know what brass is, but alright. Yeah, that's... My reaction's the same as when I bought it. I pretty much assumed. But I get my money back, and you know, if you play it right, maybe I just keep the bag. You're probably not. Then you gotta ship it back. I don't really know how that works, but... This looks good, though. That is
Honestly,
a nice box. So...
It's a nice bag.
Sorry, boys.
The bag might be nicer than the necklace,
I
honestly.
had to take the chance. Seemed like too good to be true. It probably was, so... This is juice, by the way. I don't think you're allowed to, like, have things on YouTube that...
Yeah, I don't know. It's good stuff.
It's one drink, boys. One drink. Anyway, yeah, that's it. I'm trying to hold in I'm more bummed than I seem. I'm just really hungover and I don't really care about anything right now.
Yeah, I can relate to that feeling. I went over for one drink last night. I was there till 3:30 in the morning.
It's generally
My
how
God.
it works. Alright, well. It's a no-go. Love your hat, bro. That thing's sick.
Honestly, cannot be mad about anything that happens today because I got that hat.
Fair enough. Appreciate it, boys. Less lazy video next time, huh?
Less lazy? Do you even do that?
No. Everything's lazy, bro. That's my vibe. Alright, turn that shit off.